Cut the straps for the front wheel, releasing it. Take your knife, cut the foam, and make sure to recycle this to your local standards. Installing the handlebars, you'll remove the screws and the nuts. Do not lose them. This is the clamp and the 4 nuts to install the handlebars onto the front forks. Take your handlebar, make sure the brakes are pointing outwards. As you can see the bullseye here. Align it so that it's centered with the frame. Take your clamp, perhaps put the screws into the clamp first to help you place the clamp on the bullseye, like so, and start to tighten the bolts. So as the clamp's secure, you can adjust the handlebars accordingly and make sure the bullseye again is centered into the circle of the bike, and then tighten it further. Connect the power brake, making sure each side is correct. There is some teeth in here. Make sure it is aligned correctly. This is the bell. Remove it from the box. Remove the screw. Place it onto the handlebars, on the right side preferably. Take your screw. This is the front wheel. To install it, you will need to take the bike, pick it up. It is heavy, you may need some assistance. Place it upside down. The bike has been placed upside down with the help of my friend. Be careful of the display on the bottom and not to break it or crack the screen. To remove this, there are small inserts here. You will have to remove them. Make sure to keep them safe, as this is really important. To remove this, you may need to loosen this just a little bit. For example, do not remove them entirely though, and then as you can see it moves a lot freer now. Cut the straps, removing the protective casing for the disc brake. Disc brake. Take the tire. Place it through the forks, aligning the disc brake. Take your rod, place it through the tire, aligning the forks together. Like so. Take your inserts, tighten on each side. Take your big Allen key and tighten the insert. And on the other side as well, tighten it. And now take your smaller Allen key and tighten the small screws. Make sure the front tire is secured to the front fork so it doesn't fall off. Once the tire has been installed, take your bike and place it right side up. Remove the plastic from this seat. Recycle it. Place the seat into the frame. And adjust the clamp to your heights. These are the pedals. Make sure to distinguish which one is which. You have WR for right on the inside and WL for the left. Make sure to install the right pedal on the right side and the left pedal on the left side. So, to tell if this is the right pedal or not, you can see there is a WR. And to install it, you'll place it inside and start turning to the right. Not turning the pedal, but the bolt itself. So take your wrench to further tighten it, size 15. It is tightened. So, after you've installed the right pedal, of course this is the left pedal, you will need to install it on the left side, and you can do it the exact same way you've done the right pedal.